Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video coming at you with review video number 68. Just got in from my evening out and yeah, had some money come in today. As you see, referral bonus received. So I got $130.86 referral bonus because somebody on my team made an investment. So I got 9% of that investment, which happens to be $130.86. And then also um, made some Forex investment money today. 0.39% is the earnings today. So I made $55.96, guys. It's really great. Look, things are looking great. As you see, my referral money up here that I received so far in the last week, I made $386.50. That's basically what that is, guys. Is that's somebody on my team made an investment, and I made commission off that investment because they're on my team. So, and of course, my Forex has grown. If I go to the investments page here, guys, scroll down. This is how much I've made in the last 7 days, guys. $383.49. So that's looking pretty good. Can't complain there. So just want to clear out this amount here, guys. As you see, guys, this is the Forex graph, earnings graph. As you come along, you could see the percentages. Last week we made 0.84. It was a really great day, August 30th. Hopefully we'll get one of those. Usually get one of those once or twice a week. So it averages out. If you look at the months here, guys, I'm just pulling up the month data. So yeah, August, we made 10.32% on our money. And 9.9%. Guess that'll be in June. Yeah, July 10.4%, August 10.32%. So you can see it pretty much averages around to 10% per month, guys. So just think about that, guys. Having your money in something where you're making 10% on the money that you have in, say, a bank account or an investment of some sort. You're making 10%, guys. Like, just think the bank, you'd be lucky to make like 3% a year. With this, you're making, well, I'm at the 75% tier level, so I'm making 75% of 10.32% on the money I've invested, guys. So it's definitely a phenomenal system. If you guys have been following my channel, you can see I have grown my principal, which is now $18,803.58. By Friday, I'm going to be investing some money back into the system. So I'm going to have over 19 grand. It might be about 19.3 or 19.4, depending on how much I can afford to reinvest, because I'm going to be doing a withdrawal as well on Friday. It's now Monday, so just letting you guys know about that. And if you guys have any further questions, I know some people have been emailing me asking questions about the system, how everything works and such. Just shoot me an email and I'll reply to you guys within a few hours. I have my phone on me, so I just get it. It goes right directly to my phone. So thanks for everybody that's been reaching out so far, and also thanks to everybody that's been subscribing to my channel. If you haven't yet, click on the subscribe button down below, and you can be notified of all the updates and daily earnings that I've been receiving, so you can kind of ride with me along in this journey as you see my account grow here, guys. I have a couple investments that are running here, 10 days in. So you see 18,683.58, another one that's 120 bucks. So those are going real well. And you guys can, have results like this. If you want to join the Forex market, which is what I'm involved in, most people come in at the first 3 tier levels, whatever amount of money you can invest to start off. You just put your money in and then you just let it ride, guys, let it grow. I had a team member who just put in $5,000 over 2 or 3 days, last 2 or 3 days. So he's almost at 5,000. He said he wanted to get to this level and then let it grow. So all right, guys, so I'm getting close to the end of this video, 5-minute daily review video. I just want to let you guys know the earnings I received and the commission. Things are looking real great. Again, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can be subscribed to my channel. You can receive all the daily updates and different things I'm getting involved in, as well as don't forget to click on the sign up button down below. You can sign up underneath my team, and I'll fill you guys in on everything. Just shoot me an email once you subscribed and signed up, and that way I know you're out there and I can walk you through everything. All right, so thanks again for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.